Welcome to room 6224. It isn't just a room, it's the penthouse at Temptation Cancun. When you walk in, there's a fully stocked bar, you have butler service on call 24/7, and yes, this is all included. And if you need more, they'll bring it to you. Most hotel rooms give you a mini fridge. Mine comes with a stripper pole in the living room. I don't advise sitting in the two little chairs on the side, but they have their purpose. I love the fact you get two bathrooms, and then there's the massive bedroom and a tub you can share with all of your friends. If you're into that. Then you step outside to a wraparound patio with your own hot tub, bar stools, lounge chairs, and a front row seat to the sexy pool and the quiet pool. Honestly, we set up here and people watch for hours. Room 6224, the best room at Temptation Cancun. This is our fourth time staying in it, and once you stay here, a regular room just won't cut it. And one more thing. For those of you judgy people who think Temptation Cancun is only for swingers, it's not. Are they here? Sure. But at the end of the day, this resort is about adults wanting a sexy, fun vacation. I can sit by the quiet pool with a book when I'm 75, or head to the sexy pool when I'm ready to party. I love that you can go topless, be completely yourself, and never feel judged. The service is incredible, the vibe is electric, and yes, even this Bougie Blonde loves the energy here. Is it 5 diamond luxury? Nope, but it's 5-star fun. See you there.